Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll take the first topic of coordinate geometry, that is distance formula. Let's see what's distance formula. Suppose हमारे पास एक पॉइंट A है whose coordinates are 5, -1 और एक पॉइंट B है whose coordinates are -3, 8. If we are asked to find the distance between A and B, that is AB, we can do so, we can find this distance with the help of distance formula. So, from this, we can conclude that distance formula is a formula which helps us to find the distance between any two given points on a plane. वो कैसे? For this, we'll first learn distance formula, derive it, and then we can easily find distance between any two given points. Let's proceed. Suppose हमारे पास एक पॉइंट A है whose coordinates are x1, y1 और एक पॉइंट B है whose coordinates are x2, y2. Now we are required to find the distance between A and B, that is AB. For this, let's draw the first quadrant, that is the positive quadrant. This is origin. Now draw AC perpendicular on x-axis and BD perpendicular on the same x-axis. Also draw AE perpendicular on BD. Now the value of x-axis at point C will be x1 and the value of y-axis in this direction will be y1. This is because पॉइंट ए की कोऑर्डिनेट्स तभी x1 और y1 होंगी जब पॉइंट सी पे x एक्सिस का वैल्यू x1 होगा और यहां पे y एक्सिस का वैल्यू y1 होगा. Similarly, the value of x axis at point T will be x2 and the value of y axis in this direction will be y2. Now CD will be equal to x2 minus x1. AE will also be equal to x2 minus x1. This is because this quadrilateral ACDE forms a rectangle. We don't need to prove that here. You can check it in the figure how it forms a rectangle. Now we know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, therefore AE equal to CD. Also EB equal to y2 minus y1. Now in a right triangle AEB, that's this one, apply Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square AB square equals to base square AE square plus perpendicular square EB square. Now substitute the values. we get AB square equal to AE x2 minus x1 x2 minus x1 whole square plus EB square EB y2 minus y1 y2 minus y1 whole square. Now taking square root to both the sides, we get AB. This square will cancel out, equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. हम यहाँ पे ओनली पॉजिटिव स्क्वायर रूट लेते हैं. दिस इज बिकॉज द डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. दिस रिलेशन is called the distance formula. With the help of this formula, we can find the distance between any two given points. Now, there is a special case. That is, if one of these 2 points A or B lies at origin, then what happens to the distance formula? Just like this. Suppose A lies at origin. Now we know that the coordinates of origin are 0, 0. And let B be here. And the coordinates of B be x, y. Now we need to find the distance between A and B. In other words, we can say we need to find the distance of B from origin. For this, join AB and draw BC perpendicular on x-axis. Now the value of x-axis here will be x and the value of y-axis in this direction will be y. This is because पॉइंट B की कोऑर्डिनेट्स तभी x और y होंगी जब यहाँ पे x-axis का वैल्यू x होगा और यहाँ पे y-axis का वैल्यू y होगा. Now in triangle, rather in a right triangle ACB, apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, that's AB square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Substitute the values, we get AB square equals to AC square. AC equals to x square plus CB equals to y, this one, y square. Taking square root to both the sides, we get AB equals to square root of x square plus y square. This square will cancel out और simply इस square के बदले यहाँ पे square root आएगा. This relation is a special case of distance formula if one of the 2 points lies at origin. So with the help of these two formulae, we can find the distance between any two given points if the coordinates are given. But if one of the points lies at origin, then we will apply this formula. Hope that you have got this. Inshallah, in the next video, we will apply both of these formulae to the first exercise of coordinate geometry. Thanks.